have an incredibly exciting video. We're diving deep into the Honor Magic 6 RSR Porsche Design Edition, a smartphone that brings together two worlds I love: cutting-edge technology and high-performance automotive design. This collaboration between Honor and Porsche Design showcases the pinnacle of smartphone innovation and aesthetic excellence. We'll be covering everything from unboxing to design, specs, camera capabilities, and much more. So, let's get started. The Honor Magic 6 RSR Porsche Design Edition is nothing short of spectacular. As soon as you open the box, you're greeted with the evident collaboration between Honor and Porsche Design. The box itself is meticulously crafted, reflecting the premium nature of the product inside. The phone is available in several stunning colors. Agate silver, a popular color reminiscent of the Porsche 911. Frozen berry, inspired by the Porsche Taycan, blending new and classic elements. Darker gray GT silver, a sleek, modern color that adds a touch of elegance. Material and construction. The Honor Magic 6 RSR is constructed from fiberglass, striking a perfect balance between lightweight design and durability. The smooth finish enhances its premium feel, while the subtle lines on the back pay homage to the flyline of the Porsche 911. There's also a small etching that signifies the Porsche Design and Honor collaboration. Hexagonal camera setup. Unlike the circular format seen in most flagship smartphones, the hexagonal design is unique and visually striking. It houses the triple camera setup in a triangular formation, adding to the phone's distinct look. Leather case. The included leather case features meticulous stitching details, maintaining the phone's sleek appearance while providing additional protection. Camera capabilities. The camera system on the Honor Magic 6 RSR is one of its standout features, designed to cater to photography enthusiasts and professionals alike. 50MP adjustable aperture camera. This camera offers an adjustable aperture between f1.4 and f2.0, providing flexibility for various lighting conditions and creative shots. 50MP ultra-wide camera. Perfect for capturing expansive landscapes and group photos, this camera ensures you never miss a detail. 188MP periscope telephoto camera. This powerful camera allows for impressive zoom capabilities, enabling you to capture distant subjects with clarity and precision. Advanced camera features. Dynamic range. With up to 15 stops of dynamic range, the camera excels in capturing detailed images with rich contrasts and vibrant colors. Fast autofocus. The advanced sensor and autofocus technology can accurately track and focus on fast-moving objects, ideal for action shots and sports photography. Sportography campaign. This feature leverages the camera's capabilities to capture dynamic, high-speed moments with stunning clarity. Performance and specs. Under the hood, the Honor Magic 6 RSR is a powerhouse, equipped with top-of-the-line hardware to ensure exceptional performance. Processor and GPU. Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. This latest generation processor provides the speed and efficiency required for demanding applications and multitasking. Adreno 750 GPU ensures smooth graphics performance, making it perfect for gaming and high-resolution video playback. Memory and storage. 24 GB of RAM, more than many high-end laptops. This ample RAM ensures seamless multitasking and smooth operation. 1 TB of storage, provides plenty of space for storing high-resolution photos, videos, and large applications. Display. The Honor Magic 6 RSR features a stunning display that enhances the overall user experience. 6.8-inch OLED display, offers vibrant colors and deep blacks, enhancing visual content. Resolution. with a resolution of 2800 x 1280 and a pixel density of 453 ppi, the display is sharp and clear. Brightness: the display boasts a maximum HDR brightness of 5000 nits, ensuring visibility even in bright sunlight. Manual adjustment brightness is around 1000 nits. Color gamut: the display supports over a billion colors and 100% DCI-P3 color gamut, providing true-to-life color reproduction. Dual-layer tandem OLED technology: this innovative technology not only improves display longevity by up to 600% but also offers up to 40% power consumption savings. User experience and software: the Honor Magic 6 RSR runs on the latest version of Honor's customized Android OS, offering a smooth and intuitive user experience. Software features: customization options: users can personalize their phone with various themes, wallpapers, and settings. Performance optimization: the software is optimized to take full advantage of the powerful hardware, ensuring a lag-free experience. Security features: advanced security features like facial recognition, fingerprint scanning, and encrypted storage keep your data safe. Battery life and charging: the phone is equipped with a high-capacity battery that ensures long usage times, even with heavy use. The inclusion of 2 sets of chargers and cables means you can always keep your phone powered up, whether at home or on the go. Fast charging: the phone supports fast charging technology, allowing you to quickly recharge the battery and get back to using your phone. Battery optimization: software features help optimize battery usage, extending the time between charges. Real-world performance: we had the chance to test the Honor Magic 6 RSR in various real-world scenarios, and it performed exceptionally well across the board. Photography and videography: during our trip to Barcelona, we captured stunning photos and videos, highlighting the camera's capabilities. The 15 stops of dynamic range were particularly impressive, allowing for beautifully detailed and balanced images. Gaming and multimedia: the powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor and Adreno 750 GPU handled intensive gaming and multimedia tasks with ease. The vibrant OLED display and high-quality speakers provided an immersive experience. Everyday use: for everyday tasks, the Honor Magic 6 RSR was a joy to use. The large RAM and ample storage meant we never experienced any slowdowns, even with multiple apps running simultaneously. The Honor Magic 6 RSR Porsche Design Edition is a remarkable smartphone that brings together the best of technology and automotive design. From its stunning aesthetics to its powerful performance, this phone is truly a flagship device that stands out in the crowded smartphone market.